Hello everyone. So today's session we will going to start what is the difference between the print and println and what are the comments we are using in Java. So let's start it directly by practical. So firstly, we will create a new class for understanding our today's concept. So how to create a class? That part we already covered in our last session. So let's we make the class firstly. So right click on our package, then go to the new, select the class option, and here give the class name. So for example, I give class name as a difference between print and print yellow. So like this way, we have created our class. So give the class name, select the main method and click on the finish option. So like this way, our class will get created. Now, firstly, we'll see what are the comments we are using in Java and why we need to use the comments. So basically in Java, we are used the two types of comment, single line comments and multiple line comment. So why we need to give this comment in our why we need to use this comment in our programming language. So sometimes whenever we write our logic, so for understanding about that logic after some time, or if in our place some another person it will become, so that person should able to understand our logic. So that purposes we need to write some description about that logic, some information we need to write about that logic. So that part, that description or that information about our logic, we will add it into our in a comments part. Or sometimes we need to skip some code of the our implementation part. So that time also we will use the comments. So that purposes comments are useful. So let's firstly we will see how to give the single line comments in Java. So single line comment we will give with double forward slash, and whatever any single line of statement we need to give that by using this double forward slash we will give. So here, for example, I will write difference between print and print yellow. Okay. So like this way, we provide a single line comment. Now, next comment is the multiple line comment. So how we give the multiple line comment? So multiple line comment, we give the single slash, star, and then in between we can add many number of multiple line. It is a paragraph or one page, many multiple paragraphs, many number of lines we can add. So this is the multiple line comments. How it will be start? It start with the slash star, and how it will be end? It will be end with star slash. So like this way we gives the multiple line comment, and this is double single line comment. So this like this way we use the two types of comments mostly in Java, single line and multiple line comment. Now let's move to the our second part, our second concept of our today's session, that is the difference between the print and println. So basically what is meant by this print and println? So print and println, it is a statement that helps to print our output in our console. If we see if you see, or if you know C or C++ language, so in C language we use the uh, print printf statement to print our output. In a C++ language, we use the C in, C out statement. So like this in Java, we have a print and println statement to print our output in our console. So let's, in both the statement, what difference we will get, that difference we will try to understand. So what we go firstly, we go with the system.out.print println, we go with the first. So by using this statement, I want to bring the high here. So now how this println statement will be work? In this println statement, firstly print will be comes. So that's why whatever value we pass here, that value first will get print in our console, and after this print here comes ln. So meaning of the ln is a next line or new line. Means whenever with the help of this print, our value will get print in our console. That means ln moves our cursor to the next line or new line, like this. after print is high, then our cursor will come to the next line. After that, next statement we have system.out.print. Only we have a print. So by using this print, for example, here we will try to print hello. So how this print should work here? So here only we have a print. Print means what? Only print the value and then cursor will be comes at the same line. Cursor will be present at the same line. Only print the value and cursor will be present at the same line. But now where this hello should be print? After print the high, because of this println, our cursor will be comes to new line. So that's why our current cursor will be new line. So that's why whenever we going to print the next line of output, so that will be comes to next line or new line. So here we have a print. So this print our hello here, and after print this hello, cursor will be at the same line because here only we have a print. So whenever we have a print, that time value will be print and cursor will be present at the same line. For your more understanding, we will take some more example. Now let's we go with the again println. So now here we are again using println. By using println, we want to print one here. So now wherever this one should get print, so now one should be print at the same line, same line by hello. Why? Because of after print the hello, our cursor will be same line. That's why one will be printed by that same line only. And now after print the one, our cursor will be posed to the next line because of after print the one, then because of ln, our cursor comes to the next line. So let's go to the in the next line of output. So now here we have a system.out.print. Here we are using now only print, and by using print we trying to print 2. So now where our 2 will get print? So 2 will get print to the next line because of after print the 1, our cursor will comes to new line because of println. So 2 will get print the next line. Okay. Now let's take some more 2 to 3 examples for better understanding. Let's say I pass here 3. By using println, we want to print the 3. So now wherever 3 will get print, now 3 will be gets print by same line. In which line our 2 will get print, that same line 3 will get print because of after print the 2 cursor will be same line. That's why 3 also comes to same line, and after print the 3, because of this println, cursor will be comes to the next line. Let's again we will take the println. So now where our 5 should get print, so 5 will able to print to the next line because after the 3 cursor, after print the 3 cursor comes to the new line because of println. So 5 will be print new line. After print the 5 again cursor comes to new line because of ln. So whenever again next line of output we are going to print, that time that will be also print by next line because of after 5, because of ln, our cursor will be comes to the next line. And now here we have only print, so that's why after print the 7, cursor will be same line. So whenever now again we are going to print the next line of output, that time again our output will be gets print by same line. If we use a print or println, then only our output will get the print same line. Let's here we try to print 6. So 6 will be print by same line because of after print the 7, cursor will be present at the same line because of print. And now 6 will be print here, and after print the 6, cursor will be at the same line because of print. Here only we have print, so whenever we use the print, so print will be cursor keeps same line. After print the value, cursor also will be kept at the same line. So what is the basically main difference between the print and println? In simple words, we can say if we use the print, so print only print the value and cursor will be present at the same line. And println means what? After print the value, then cursor moves to the next line or new line. That is the main difference we have between the print and println. Actually, this is the very basic terminology. but better understanding of this concept, please watch this video carefully, each and every concept from starting to till end. So we will stop today's session here. Thank you for listening my session. And if you like this my content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you for watching. Bye.